Hello everyone, welcome to the another video. Today on this video we are going to see how can we recover our password protected zip or RAR file. For making our file secure, we keep the password on it, but sometimes we forgot the password and we try to recover it, and sometimes we get success and sometimes we get failure. Here we are going to see how can we recover those passwords using a shortened tool. This video is only for educational purpose. We are not promoting any kind of illegal activities. For recovering the password, first of all, you need to download the shortened tools. For that, open your browser and in the browser search for Kraken Password Recovery. I will give the link into the description. From there also you can download it. Visit the first official link and from here click on download and click on download. It will download the file. Let me open the file and just open the file, accept the term and condition and click on next. Provide the path where you want to extract it. I am going to extract it in the desktop. Click on install. Let me check out both of these and click on finish. Let me close everything. There you see that the Kraken has been extracted into the desktop. First of all, let me create the password protected RAR file. Let me try to open this file. Now it is asking me for the password. Open the Kraken folder. Here you see that in the directory folder, if you have the list of password and you want to try the password from those lists, then you can keep that file into this directory. In the recovery folder, you need to keep the file that you want to recover. Let me open it and copy this file for the recovery. And now you need to run the kraken.exe. It is a command line tool. It will open your terminal. It is asking you to agree the term and condition. Let me type Y and enter. It is giving me the shorten option. I am trying this for the first time, so I am going to select the start new option. If you have tried it already and without finding the password you have disabling it, then you can continue it from here by selecting the option 2. This is my first time, so I am going to select the option 1 and hit the enter. Here it will give you the 2 options. If you are going to recover the hash password, then you can select the option 2. I am going to recover the compressed file, so I will select the option 1 and hit the enter. It will asking for you the two methods, dictionary method and the brute force method. In a dictionary method, it will try the password from the shortened list which you have already given into the dictionary folder. In the brute force, it will try the random password from the selected option. I am going to use the brute force method, so I will select the first one and hit the enter. And from here it is asking you for selecting the password combination. I know what I have kept the password, so I will select the easiest option for the fastest recovery. You can select the password according to your need. I have given the numeric value in the password, so I will select the option 4 and hit the enter. And I don't know the minimum length of the password, maximum length of the password, prefix also don't know, suffix also don't know. It will select the automatically, just hit the enter. And from here you need to select the option. Here are the 4 options. It is the CPU usage option. If you have selected the option 4, it will use the maximum CPU, and if you select the option 3, it will use the normal and other 2 uses according to the need. I want to recover the password fastly, so I will give the maximum CPU usage option and hit the enter. Now the brute force attack is started and you see that the password has been recovered. Let's try it. For that, let me minimize it and open my folder. And let me try to open and with the password. Click on OK. There you see that the file has been opened. This is the way for recovering the password. We strongly recommend you to use it only the legal way. We are not promoting any kind of illegal activities. If you want any other video dedicated on certain topic, then mention the topic into the comment section. We will try to make the video on that topic. Thank you for watching it.